stopping by. Oh, I'm so glad you made it.
Come on in.
I just heard the funniest joke.
Hey, what's that?
Why is Snow White always get all 7 dwarfs the same amount of gooseberry pie?
Why? I don't know.
Why? Because she's the fairest one of all.
Oh, equal parts fair, I get it.
Well, I guess that one needs some
I
work.
thought it was pretty cool, Mickey. Why don't we take a photo with our pals?
Why, you got it.
This is video.
This way, family?
Cheese!
We got it, Mickey Mouse.
Cool. Great time, Penny. I hope you have a lot of great adventures today. Take care.
Yeah, just pop on one.
It was great to see you.
Yeah, just